global world like South Africa to have a global event in Pakistan after 30 years.
Thank you. Oh, shit, sorry. Thank you for having us. Yeah, I can't speak on the people of Pakistan, but we've been here in COVID time, so it's not foreign to us to be here. We've got enough knowledge to, obviously, in test matches and T20 cricket, so something new for us. The boys played, yesterday? So yeah, for us, it's a nice place to come play again. It's something different that we're not used to, so we're going to look forward to the next game, and then obviously the ICC Champions Trophy.
Great. Next question. Just the gentleman at the front.
Heinrich, unfortunate for you, for your side, they couldn't go all over last night, but what are the plannings against Pakistan, because this match is all important for you, it's a virtual knockout, and how would you said that you have been here before, so how would you rate about Pakistan's conditions, especially Karachi, which is pretty famous for its spin bowling department, so do you think you can turn over Pakistan over here?
Yeah, look, we're in a unique situation coming into this tour. So a lot of guys got opportunity yesterday and they've played well, and New Zealand obviously had a taste against Pakistan a couple of days ago. So I think we played alright. For a very young team, we did well. So tomorrow is obviously a big game for the series, and we played Pakistan not too long ago. So obviously Pakistan and their conditions, so it's a different beast. So looking forward to that, and we just got together today. Basically, the boys only arrived at 2 o'clock this morning, so and the whole team's obviously not at training. So yeah, for the guys that's new to the squad, we've got to do a little bit of homework. We've got a nice day out to face these conditions and see what it is like.
Last night, the South African team played really well against New Zealand. At what point the mistakes were made by the players?
Yeah, that's a question that you need to go ask for the coaches. We only arrived here yesterday, so I didn't watch a hell of a lot of the game. Just saw some quality batting from our youngsters and guys taking opportunity, and they're playing against a New Zealand team that's in form as well. Some of the batters had a good outing against Pakistan and taken that momentum into the game. So I can't really comment on the mistakes that we made. I didn't watch a lot of the game.
Klaasen, a bit of afraid by your arrival because the way you play in regardless of the format. How do you prepare yourself, especially in terms of intent in all formats? Because the game has changed a lot, and obviously intent matters a lot, be it T20 cricket or ODI cricket, and especially how will you prepare yourself against the fast bowlers of Pakistan, especially in their home conditions?
The intent comes naturally, so I don't have to change or prep towards it too much. For me, it's just trying to control myself, not to go too hard too early, and make sure that I spend enough time in the crease, and make sure that I am there at the back end of the innings, facing their bowlers in their conditions. Like I said, it's Pakistan, and Pakistan is completely different to anywhere else in the world. Got to prep for some of their bowlers. They've got obviously good plans, and their plans in South Africa and here will be different. So luckily we've got a fantastic analyst, so we can do a little bit of homework. Like I said, we've got a good training session today, so we can try all and find out what their skills will be like and what different balls they will bowl to us this competition.
Hi Heinrich, Pakistan in the next match or something?
Yeah, obviously that will be great to win them. They've played good cricket over the last couple of months, but they've been on the road as well for a very, very long time. So we need to play good cricket. Obviously, there's a bigger picture in mind as well. The ICC Trophy is also in play next week or 2 weeks from now. So it's a good exercise for us, and if we can knock them out and play in the final in their home country where they're not in part of that, will be at least put a smile on my face, to be fair.
Listen, welcome to Pakistan. And what would you say about the Karachi Stadium, newly constructed recently? What would you say?
Sorry, I've got no knowledge of that topic.
He wasn't part of the first game, so he wasn't at that stadium.
Yeah, sorry.
So he's just joining for...
Only arrived there yesterday, sorry sir.
On that note, that concludes the press conference. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.